Hi and welcome to a new vlog and to my channel. I am in Germany right now in a H+ hotel. I'll show you. We have just arrived. I have a room. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I'll show you with the lights on. Oh. I have a room with my brother, and the big room is for my parents because they are married for 25 years, so that's why we're making this trip with the four of us. So this is our room. When you walk in, we've got the bathroom right here. Ooh. And then the toilet right here, and our beds. And then the view, it's not very spectacular. That's it. Something that I do want to mention is that in this vlog and in the next couple of vlogs, I wanted to use the GoPro and this camera. This is the Canon EOS 200D, but also the GoPro Hero 7 was my camera that I love to use, but it is broken. Something happened with it a couple of vlogs ago, and I had some struggles with it also in a couple of vlogs, and then in vlog number 17, if I'm right, I said I could use this camera. It is the Canon G7X Mark II, and I loved it. If I talk about vlogs, by the way, they are linked, I guess, right here, but I don't know. They are linked, so you can click on them if you want to, but in vlog number 17 I used this camera and I loved it, and I was allowed to film with it these couple of vlogs too, so I feel incredibly blessed, and I still don't know what's going on with my GoPro, and that sucks. Now I'm just gonna have fun here in Bremen in Germany, and we shall see what we're gonna do. I have no idea. Oké.
Oh, je valt.
Nee, ik sta nu op de grond. Nee. By the way, the weather is incredible. It is like 10 o'clock. So many people are still out and it is so hot. Like, look what I'm wearing. It's insane. I love it. Like, it's insane actually. Look what I'm wearing. Woo! No, but for real though, it's actually pretty hot. And that with this jumpsuit in this time of year, it's actually insane. But to be honest, I love it. probably knew about everything that you've already seen. We were in Bremen, but today it was our last day in Bremen, so we continued our road trip. I'm going to show you where we're heading to. We are heading to almost Berlin. I hope you can hear me, by the way. Gosh, it's still a couple of hours away, but we're enjoying the road trip. The weather is beautiful, and then the next vlog will be in Berlin. I do think I want to show you a room tour in Berlin in this vlog, but I hope you stay tuned for next week as well, because you know that will be about Berlin. Berlin is such a special city with so much culture and so much history, so yeah, I hope you will enjoy that too. But I'll see you when we're there. And we have arrived! We are in our apartment in Berlin, and like I told you, I wanted to give you a room tour in this vlog. So here it is. First, you have the door, and then, oh, I can see myself right there. Here is the hallway. Then when we go to the left, we've got the kitchen. Hey Mama! Hi! So this is the kitchen. I love it. It's a beautiful kitchen in my opinion. By the way, this is the view. Then on the other side is the living room with a beautiful ceiling. Hey Mama!
Hi, I'm here again.
Then here, as you can see, is the bathroom. This is the bathroom with bath as well. A lot of birds in this apartment. And here is my and my brother's room. Hey! Just like this. This is my parents' room. And then, look at that, oh my goodness. From their room, you can go into the living room and to the balcony. And then this is the view. So here we are in Berlin. Next vlog will be about Berlin and what we're gonna do here. So I hope you stay tuned. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for notifications. Bye!